something you saw during your career that will never be in a recruiting commercial? My third month at Camp Lejeune, our barracks toilet broke, constantly overflowing with water. We submitted maintenance requests daily, but nothing happened for weeks. One morning at 4 a.m., our staff sergeant kicked in our door screaming about an emergency formation. We scrambled outside to find the battalion commander standing there in PT gear, fuming. Turns out, someone had gotten fed up with the toilet situation and took a massive dump directly in front of the colonel's parking spot with a sign reading, "Faster response time than maintenance." The colonel made the entire battalion stand at attention while each company was dismissed one by one, but only after every Marine in that company took a close-up look at the dump. "I want the responsible Marine identified by 1700, or you're all losing weekend liberty for a month," he barked. Nobody snitched. We lost our weekend passes for 6 straight weeks, but maintenance fixed every toilet in